Hey, my name is Rachel, and we're going to be looking at elicitation techniques we can use in the classroom. So the workshop is about using elicitation techniques in the classroom. And the reason it's important is because a lot of teachers find it very difficult to elicit from their students. A lot of teachers find that they have developed more of a lecturing style where they just tell their students rather than finding out what their students already know and then teaching from that information. So I think that elicitation skills are definitely something that the majority of us can definitely work on and improve. Elicitation is a great way for students to build on the existing knowledge they have as well, which of course encourages learner autonomy. It encourages a learner-centered environment in the classroom, and actually it keeps students engaged, involved in the lesson, and actually the lessons are more memorable because of this.